It's gotten dark on me. I need to find a place to set up camp. I'm tired. I skipped lunch and I'm feeling it. I'm gonna have a little snack, try to get my energy up. Well, since I don't got a fire going, I'm gonna use an old dog mushing trick to cook my food. So I've got an old tuna fish can and a bottle of heat. This is a fuel additive we put into gas tanks to keep them from freezing up in the wintertime. And it's mostly made out of isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol could be very dangerous. See how the flame is nearly invisible? If you spill isopropyl alcohol on yourself and light yourself on fire in the daytime, you won't even be able to see it. But it burns really clean and really hot, so it's great for cooking. Put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. The advantage of burning alcohol is that it burns really clean. You can use it inside the tent like this, and it doesn't stink the place up. It doesn't make your food taste funny. I'm done cooking my couscous and it looks like the flame just went out. About 5-6 ounces of heat lasted about 20 minutes.